Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can cast the YouTube app to TV on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So the first thing that we need to do is open YouTube, and then in the YouTube we have several options, but overall we need to use the same button. In the top right corner we have this rectangle with some sort of like a Wi-Fi icon. If you tap on it, then you can start trying to connect to a device, to other device, including a TV. So over here, if you have a TV nearby, you can try to detect it on your device, and then you can select it and connect it. Now you can also use link with TV code instead. At the same time, if you, for instance, are already watching the video, then what you can do is simply tap on the same button. So if the video is playing and you have no buttons, then you can simply tap on the video, and then in a pretty similar spot you have the option to use the same button again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.